How you doing today? Yeah. Where you heading off to? Just walking. Any specific location? Okay. Is this your son?
Yes.
All right. Hey, what's your name?
You can tell him your name.
No.
All right. What's your name, sir?
Johnny.
Johnny. All right. All right, Johnny. Where you come from?
Just walking around.
Just walking around?
Yeah.
All right. Enjoying this weather?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Well, we're checking up on you, man. You know.
Just walk around. What the heck is this deal?
Found it a little bit suspicious, you know. So,
What?
just walking around.
Walking around is a little bit suspicious.
I mean,
Go ahead.
technically not really, but I mean it is pretty early in the morning. Just wondering what was going
That's
on.
what we do. We get up early in the morning.
You got your ID on you?
What do I need an ID for?
Because I just asked you for it.
I don't need to show my ID.
Okay, if you don't give me your ID, I'm going to take you to jail for failure to identify because I've identified that you've been walking around down here at 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, we do that.
No, you're not. Give me your ID.
I don't have my ID on me because it's at the house.
Okay, what's your name and date of birth?
Huh?
What's your name and date
I
of
don't know,
birth?
but you can't run. I don't have. This is a state where I don't have to show my
Okay,
ID.
turn around.
You're gonna do this in front of my son?
Yeah, turn around.
Are you serious?
Yeah, turn
This
around.
is my son. Let me bring my son home first.
No, turn around now.
Bro, you need here. Let me videotape this real quick. I want this on video. What are you doing to my son? Bro, this is fucked up. Son, it's okay, okay?
It's good.
Bro, I promise you, you're gonna pay for this.
You think?
Yeah, I promise you that. We're walking around. There's nothing suspicious. I've done nothing criminal. I don't have my ID on me. I told you that.
And what did I tell you?
And you just slammed me on the ground because I was trying to record. What are you rolling me on the ground for?
It's gonna be okay.
Dude, this is ridiculous. Man, look what you're doing to my fucking son. There's my phone right there, too.
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Hey, buddy. He's just gonna find out who he is, all right? And then hopefully we'll go from there, all right? Hey, what you got there? I'm not gonna hurt you. All right, don't worry about that.
Hey, buddy, come here. Okay. Listen to me. You're okay. Hey, quit crying.
It's gonna be okay. Hey, bud. It's gonna be alright, alright? Hey, do you watch a lot of Ninja Turtles?
No, I want my dad.
Yeah, he's right there. Don't worry about it. Look, he's gonna be alright. I'm sorry. Bad choice of words, not bad. You want me to leave? Yeah. Hey, how old are you? I didn't even have my radio on. That's crazy, man.
Five Weatherford, check 44s. John Sexton, 12/30/1986. 5 West, 37/44 on Sexton.
Hey, bud. How old are you? You don't want to talk to me? That's cool. You could exercise that right. Oh, hard on the knees, let me tell you. Hard on the knees. What is that? Just a light that turns on and off? Hey. It almost looks like a car battery, man. Did you make that? No.
I found this. It's a plug.
You just found him walking around? Yeah, that's what's up.
Watonga, he's got a possible out of Woods County. We'll call him verify.
So, hey, you can make it, you can make it spaz up.
Was clear.
Not bad.
Huh?
Not bad. I believe he's calmed down a bit.
Yeah. He's got muscles.
Yeah.
So when I was headed in, I saw him walk down the alley.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I moved my truck around to the covered stuff, you know you can park back there if you want, right?
No, I didn't know.
Yeah, you can, man. When I moved my truck back around there, like, I turned, so this is Prouty. They were already walking out of the alley at Noble.
Mm-hmm.
They walked, and then they just turned around, and he went right back into the same alley he came from. And he was hanging around on the, it'd be like 101, 102, or something like that. I'd have to go back and look at the address. He was hanging around back there where they cook all that barbecue and stuff. That's why we're making contact with him.
Yeah.
When people don't want to identify, typically there's something else going on. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Were you able to watch the fireworks last night? There's a bunch of fireworks going off around town. I couldn't even sleep, man. It's crazy. You know, if there was a question I could ask God, I'd be like, why did you make mosquitoes? They suck. Quite literally. You think they could see? Like, you think they could see it and they have eyes and everything? I don't know, man. He was coming straight for me. Well, you got better balance than me. I would have fallen over.
Watonga 5, 1090. Talking 5, just waiting on 44 returns. Well, clear. We're still on hold with Woods County. Chester County also advised they have one valid 44 or bondable. Was clear.
Hey, would you like to take a sit over there? It's like a little seat, you know? Yeah, just what I was thinking.
How long was that?
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's like a little pasta thing.
Oh, snap. Yeah, it is, huh?
My mom has one of those at her house, the exact same one.
Does your mom make good pasta?
But we don't pasta at our house. We just make some other stuff in it. But that one's all yucky.
Yeah. It's like a pasta of leaves.
This came out of the sucker thing from a store, and he he put up, he pulled it out. And it's popped up.
Watonga 5, Custer advises to just advise him he's got one with them.
Oh gosh.
Was clear.
Dad's coming back.
Come on, son. Hey, you're supposed to be in there, son. Come on. You can't play in there. That's not ours, okay? We'll go home and...
Watch how this cop has to absolutely give him a final directive, and he won't even look him in the eye. This cop is like staring into space and trying to give him a directive. It's kind of disturbing.
All right, so listen, you guys, we don't mind you getting out walking around, but when the police officers ask you who you are, you better tell them, okay?
Come on, let's go.
I'll put these up for you.
We'll find stuff like that all the time.
You gotta work. Try and get on me. We need a CID.